Hello, dear viewers. Do you want to get real views for your channel in a legitimate way from actual YouTube members, not from external sources? Today, I'm going to show you a tool that SEO experts keep hidden from you. The same experts who charge you $50 for this service. This tool will become your loyal companion on your YouTube journey, and once you start using it, you won't be able to let it go. So, what do you need to do now? Grab a cup of coffee and watch this video all the way to the end. You'll learn how to set up a campaign for your video using this tool, and also discover how to strengthen your video's keywords. At the end of the video, I'll share another video for you to watch. And I promise, if you apply what you learn from both videos, I personally guarantee your success. Oh, I almost forgot. This channel will allocate a special budget for the first 30 comments on this video to encourage new channel owners. All you have to do is leave a comment, and we'll visit your channel, pick a video, and create a campaign for it. Let's get started. First, choose the video you want to apply SEO to, or build backlinks for. It's best to select a new video with 0 views so you can clearly see how this tool performs. Now, inside the video title, make sure the title consists of keywords. For example, include 2 strong keywords that match your video content. Also, place these keywords in the description box and in the tag section. I'll explain the reason for this later. And also, add related titles inside the description, just like you see here. Why? Because YouTube's algorithm reads the description to understand the type of content you're offering. We will use this later with the SEO tool we mentioned at the beginning of the video. Now, let's move on to the next step and start creating the campaign. First, let me introduce you to the Shortlink website. It's a platform that offers several services to promote your website or YouTube video. You can use it to get views, impressions, and even watch time that meets YouTube's requirements. But what truly matters to us is the Smart SEO feature, an incredible tool that indexes your video even if your channel has 0 subscribers and 0 views. Instead of waiting 30 days for your channel to be indexed naturally with this tool, your video and channel can be indexed in just 1 day, sometimes within just 7 hours. As you can see, there are many ad placement options. And these are real ads where your video is placed on actual websites to build strong backlinks. Now, we're going to choose the smallest placement size because the size doesn't really matter. Our goal is to keep the cost low. Now, we select the SEO Smart option. It's the best choice for indexing your video and getting real views from actual YouTube users. Now, we'll choose how many times the video should be published. To start, simply select the first option. It's more than enough. Now we move on to the keyword options and content type selection. For now, we won't enter any keyword. We'll leave this section blank until the campaign is approved. Now, paste the link to the video you want to create the campaign for. We've reached the payment stage, and I'll fill in the required details and complete the purchase. Make sure to double-check your email address. The campaign link will be sent there, and we'll be using it to continue the process. Now, go to your email inbox. You'll receive a message from Shortlink. Click on the link at the bottom of the email and check the status of your ad. It usually takes between 1 to 6 hours to be processed. Once the ad has been approved, you can now add the keywords to your video. This will help you get views from YouTube search as well as from the suggested videos section. First, we'll add the video title as a main keyword. However, if it appears in gray, that means it's currently difficult to compete for. In that case, simply add your channel name at the end of the keyword. This will make it stronger. Now we'll do the same for all the related titles listed in the description, turning them into strong keywords for the video. As a result, we'll get high impressions and more views. Once you've entered all the popular titles this way, your video will receive a significant boost in exposure. Now start monitoring the results. But to make sure you get the best possible outcome, watch the video on my channel that explains how the YouTube algorithm works. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll respond as quickly as possible.